Welcome back, guys. So I am very excited to unbox this for you. This is KITH apparels. I got this out of eBay. It was a pretty awesome deal. I purchased two of the sweatshirt. Hopefully this is authentic and original. Based on the seller's feedback, it seems like he is pretty legit. So I think the original price is about $65 plus $10 shipping, and then plus tax at the KITH.com. But I got this at the $71.99 each item. But unfortunately, this is not my size, but I'm trying to buy this for resale. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I know right now it's still not cold enough to wear this kind of crew neck or sweatshirt or sweater. So let's go ahead and see what we got. Got a purple one and then a black one. So from the same seller. So I guess he tried to save the money and ship everything in one package, which is more feasible, I guess. Hopefully there's no invoice. Ooh, nice. Wow. So this is the first time I'm buying the KITH apparels. I tried to cop the Coca-Cola, Coke, and then I got no chance to purchase those because it was sold out. Wow, I can't believe it. See. Well, I did the unboxing for my son, the slide, or we call it slip-on sandals. And I believe this is pretty legit because it has all the barcode and then a sticker from KITH and has a size and then the price tag right here. So I know this is pretty legit, and this is KITH treats. And there's also a label. Oh my god, and then there's a marker inside? No way. So I'm deciding which one to unbox. There's a marker here too, so wow. So you got the warning message right here. To avoid dangers of suffocation, keep this plastic bag away from babies and children. Do not use this bag in cribs, beds, carriages, or playpens. Okay? So again, you got the KITH treats right here. Let's go. Hopefully he didn't try them out or anything, but let's go ahead and check them out. Oh my god, it is factory seal. Damn. I don't even know if I want to open it for resale. As you can see the size right there on the label. And this is the Milkshake special edition, okay? It says treats right there and Milkshake, and then a special, and then you got the box logo of KITH right there in the midsection. And you got the two of the holes right here. 1, 2. And then 1, 2. So I'm not sure, guys. What do you guys think? Because I'm trying to to buy this and resell, and I'm not sure if the customer likes me to open it, but I want to know the size. It says made something. So I'm going to open the black one and keep the purple one sealed. It seems that the purple one has more resale value because I checked on StockX and other website. Let me check. I'm just gonna cut it open with my scissor. I think I should get a razor blade, but and I want to cut it gently and carefully. I don't want to mess it up for the next buyer. Oh, so it's not sealed. That it looks like sealed. Never mind. I guess I could try them on. Measure the size or something for you guys to see. I'm not gonna open this. This is the marker said KITH trees on here. Nice. Could I open it? If it's not sealed. I don't want to rip it anyway. So that's a marker for that. Hopefully it's not dried up. So this is the, wow, look at this. Treats, milkshake, special KITH. Oh, this is, I want to check this out. It says, made in China. So it says KITH treat extra large. All right, so this is authentic, okay? You got this hang tag. It says KITH treats. It says milkshake, special, long sleeve, black, and I guess the style number or the item number. I feel like there's a tissue paper on the back somewhere. Yep, there you go. Let's see how they fold it. Should be all the same like the Supreme or the Palace. Ooh, there's a string of a thread. So there's a tissue paper and then silica gel, okay, to keep it dry. And this is a size extra large. I'm not sure why there are so much length, unless the seller had opened this previously. Let me see. Holy damn. Yeah, this is pretty wide, so it's not gonna fit me. This is a 2XL. A lot of you viewers have been asking me about the Supreme size, so I'm gonna go get the measuring tape real quick to measure the width, the length, the sleeve, for you guys to check it out. So I'll be back with the tape measuring. Alright, I got my measuring tape right here. I'm gonna start measuring for you guys to see how wide it is. So let me just measure from the bottom real quick. This is inches. So from armpit to armpit, are you looking around like what depends on how you stretch it out? It's at 24.5 inches, okay? From armpit to armpit for KITH XXL, alright? And then I'm gonna measuring the length from the shoulder down. So from the shoulder down is about 29 inches. And then now I'm going to measure from the neck down, okay? So from the neck down is about 32 inches, okay, approximately. And now I'm going to measure from the shoulder to I'm going to measure the sleeve, okay? So from the shoulder to the sleeve by the cuffs is you're looking about 26.5 inches. And then I'm going to measure the length right here. It's about 10.5 inch. Depends how thick your arm is, okay? So there you go, guys. Hopefully this will help you guys out compared to like the Supreme or the Palace skateboards apparels. So be sure to like the video and then make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell for notification and drop in a comment on below. Alright. Oh yeah, I forgot to check the inner label. I see right here. So maybe you guys do a legit check or something. So this is a label for KITH. First time showing you guys. I guess in the different languages. Japanese. So I guess they have 4 different languages. And this is 100% cotton. So I'm not sure what this number is. It's probably the style number or the KH3328. And that matches the number right here on the tag. Alright. Alright, hopefully you guys have a nice happy Thursday. I'll see you guys in the next video, guys. Like always, peace out. Stay tuned for the try it on video. Alright, so it's kind of a little baggy,
So it's up to you. Maybe some people they like to wear baggy clothing or a sweatshirt, and this is what it look like. Pretty long, like that. Do. So if I open my arms, that's what it look like. I guess not that bad. Pretty okay. If I don't sell it, then I'm gonna wear it. That's all. So I'm gonna try on the purple one to let you guys check them out, right? Alright, this is the purple one or the violet one. This is the same thing. Got this trees right here. Milkshake. Special, and then KITH. Do the robot, do the robot. Alright, so hopefully you guys like the video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn the bell for notification. And drop any comments on below. Alright, thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Peace out. Alright. Booyah!